Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kia, your favorite, and I'm back with another video. So I just wanted to come on really quick and give y'all this light summer makeup look. I'm headed out to brunch, but I've been getting a lot of compliments on my makeup lately. This is a no foundation routine. It literally takes me like 10 to 15 minutes to do, so I thought I might share. So if you're interested in seeing how I put this look together, just keep watching. Okay, so the story behind this title is really funny. So I was out and then I ended up talking to this man and we started, getting into our conversation, and he was talking about like, oh, it might not be so bad for you in the morning when you get up and get ready for work because it's not like, you have to put on makeup or anything. And I was like, no, well, I always put on a little bit of makeup. I'm a girly girl, like I like makeup. So he goes, oh, really? Are you wearing makeup right now? And I'm just like, what? So that's where the title of this video comes from, because I just feel like that is so funny. And it just goes to show that like guys don't be knowing what they're looking at. And when they say they don't like makeup, all they mean is that they like natural looking makeup, because everybody is like, not everybody, but we wear makeup because we like makeup, right? So the first thing I did was just apply my sunscreen moisturizer and also this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. The sunscreen is from Innisfree. You can get it from Sephora. It's really good and it lasts a long time. You only need a little drop. It's only like $15. Next, I'm going in with my Makeup by Mario concealer in the shade 380. This is a no foundation routine because I'm in Houston and it's just like really hot and nobody has time. So yeah, I try to keep it to a minimum, and y'all can see like where I am putting the concealer on. But I like this concealer because it's creamy, but it also gives coverage with this like luminous finish to it, so it's like super perfect. Like I love skin like finish, but I love my concealer to have coverage but still be skin like at the same time. So if you're looking for one, this one is perfect. I've been using this for probably like 6 months now and I've gotten a lot of compliments. Some of us have maybe heard of the hack of placing your concealer first and letting it just kind of like dry down so you can kind of maximize the coverage and the placement. So now I'm just going in with this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the color Deep, and I'm just kind of chiseling out my chin and my cheeks, and I'll do my forehead, just like something like very light to frame my face and just add this little bronzy vibe. I love the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and it's like really big. This lasts a long time. My last one I couldn't even finish it because I actually ended up breaking it, so I bought a new one. But that one I had for like over a year and it was still a lot left in it, and then it broke. So yeah, so I just go ahead and kind of give myself some color around here. Sorry y'all, I'm like hot in this bathroom. This is why this makeup routine is so good, because I haven't even stepped out the house and I'm already hot yet. So it's like nobody has time. So this is just a very quick and light look. This literally probably takes me like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm kind of like talking to y'all and talking it through, so it might take longer, but yeah, this is pretty much like what I do. So we're only like 2 products in, so that's looking pretty good. I come back around and blend it as well. So now we're going to get into the blush. This is a Sephora collection blush. The top came off, but this is the color Hey Jealousy. So then I'll just take this brush here and still like put it underneath like my concealer and where I want my blush to be blushing. And the reason I do this first still is because I'll come back and put a little more on top, but it just gives it a seamless blend when you put the blush on, then blend the concealer out. Y'all will see, y'all will see. So once my blush is blended out, then I start blending out my concealer. I start with the bridge of my nose and my forehead, and I just kind of blend it up and out into the little bronzer contour that I did. I try not to take it up too high so I can still have the concealer like concentrated in this area, but still just high enough to diffuse it. And then like I said, I'll come back over it like one more time with the bronzer just to kind of clean everything up. And so I'll blend this out first, make sure it's good. Then I'll go to my lip and my chin, and I blend the eyes out last. So I'll take my brush and blend the eyes down just a little bit. Then I'll leave a little for the highlight. And again, the reason why I'll blend my eyes out last is because I wanted to have like the most coverage. If y'all can see, I've literally only been like tapping this for a second and it's already given like all of the coverage that it needs. So when you dry down the product, it doesn't move as much. So that's why I place it first. And then you can see here how it's blending like really nicely into that blush. And then I just kind of blend it up and under my eye and kind of down my nose on both sides. So it just looks really nice and natural. And y'all, literally the face is pretty much almost done. Like I said, this is literally like 10-minute makeup, but it just looks so cute with the placement, how the products blend together. So I will be doing this every day in the summer because it's quick, it's easy, it's lightweight, and it's really cute. Once I blend everything out with the brush, I come back and go over it with the beauty blender. I don't wet it, I just use it dry. And I've been using my beauty blender dry for a few years now. And to me, it blends better. Like I literally never wet my beauty blender anymore. So I just kind of like smooth everything out. Then I take my setting powder. This is the Huda Beauty one in the color, I think it's Cupcake. Yes, in Cupcake. It has like the little pink tint to it, but I don't like bake. I just kind of like press the powder into where I have concealed just to make sure it doesn't move or anything. But I don't put like excess powder or anything on because I still wanted to have like this skin-like look. So I'll just like take a little dab of powder and put it on and put it in the spots where the concealer is. This makeup usually does last all day. I do this for work. Right now I'm just getting ready to like go to a little breakfast brunch type situation, and like I said, it just lasts and it's not too much going on my face. Now I'm gonna come back in with my bronzer and my blush just a little bit, mostly to bring back the little depth to the forehead because I like to bring it down just a little bit, and then I'll go a little bit if needed on my cheeks and my chin. So I don't want that to look too light or anything. Then I take the same bronzer palette and I just put it all over my eyelid. Then I blend it up into like my brow and then just bring it down the side of my nose for like a light nose contour. Then I do that again on the other side. Just take a bunch of the powder, put it all over my eyelid, blend it up, nothing too serious, just make sure it's kind of like blend out because I don't really do eyeshadow. And I just bring it down my nose, and that's pretty much that. Yeah, so when I do this look at night, literally I'll just like take more of the bronzer and just put it like heavier on my eyes to make it like darker. But yeah, that's really all I use. I feel like I've only used like 3 or 4 products, so y'all can see. And next I'm gonna move on to the brows. We're going to be using the tried and true Anastasia pencil in the color dark brown. And I've been using Anastasia literally since I was in like high school or college. For the past year, I have been using the Refi one, which I really do like. But you know, I had switched up on Anastasia for that girl, and then I had bought one of the pencils and I feel like it ran out in like 2 weeks. So I'm like, are you putting less product in it? Like, I don't respect it. And Anastasia pencils be lasting, and it's like, I can't be in Sephora every day like messing with you. Like, the brows are cute, but at the same time, it's like, you need to make sure that they're filled up, the product, because that's just ridiculous. So I was like, no, I'm gonna just buy the Anastasia pencil. And so as y'all can see, I literally just put like a line underneath and then do a few brush strokes on my brow, just to keep it simple. Then I just brush it up and brush it out to have this natural brow. I already kind of have like enough eyebrows to where I don't have to like draw them in. So I'm just going for like a neat-ish but natural just kind of look. So I really only spend like 2 minutes on my brows and I'm cool with it. Again, here's the Refi brow gel. It's really good. When I usually use the Refi pencil, I'll use like her dark brown pencil, but I use like the darkest brow gel that she has. So that's what I'm doing now. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't, but I'll use it today because it's a cute little brow gel, so y'all can just kind of see the look with that. And then I just go back and kind of like smooth it out, make sure it's good. Now I am just going to, let me move y'all, but I'm going to, can y'all see? I don't know, it's gonna be a weird angle, but I'm just doing my eyeliner. And I know y'all are like, you didn't set your face yet, but you'll see in a second why. I just draw my little eyeliner on first and get that going, because I like to line my eyes. Like, I really started doing my makeup just like more natural. I don't really wear lashes anymore. I just do like a cute eyeliner and a good mascara, because I just want to kind of accentuate. And like, people compliment my eyes, and I was noticing that, like, you know, when a man be in your face, he be like, oh, you guys have beautiful eyes. Like, boy, why? But actually, you know, people do be asking me about like my eyes and what's on my eyes and stuff like that. So I started to just kind of focus on that, and I feel like just the more natural face, but then like, you know, doing a little definition in the eyes is really my look. So that's what I've been sticking to. Pretty much almost done. So I use this one size setting spray, and sometimes I'd be like, should I be using this? Is it giving like pollution? Like, why is it in an aerosol can? And it's matte finishing. I do like the Morphe spray, which they had theirs in the aerosol can first, but something about this one is just like, I don't know, but I do be using it. And because I do more of a skin-like type look, it kind of just helps it to stay in place, and also like it'll keep my eyeliner on as well. So this is how I do it. I just, and then I just, you know, fan it a little bit, keep my eyes closed so that it has time to process, and then boom, see, it doesn't like smudge the eyeliner or anything. So yeah, that's that. And now I just go in with my mascara. This is the Hourglass tubing mascara. Y'all have heard me talk about the Hourglass mascara because I have the original one too, which I like. But then this girl at my job, her lashes were looking like so bomb one day, and I was like, oh wow, what do you use? And she said she used the Thrive tubing mascara because you can just like wash it off with warm water, and it just comes off like in like these little pieces at the end of the night. And so then I switched to tubing mascara, but I got my Hourglass, and it's pretty good to just kind of like define the lashes and give it a cute girly look. And for me, like, my makeup evolution is, it's like, you know, sometimes I want to put a lot of makeup on, sometimes we want to do the beat face. And you know, I grew up in that era where we started like contouring and doing all this type of stuff around like 2014, 2016 and everything like that. But then it's kind of like, it was fun, but I realized it's like, from watching different makeup videos, and it's like, you know, not saying anything about anyone, but some people put makeup on to cover certain things up. which is fine. But for me, I feel like I don't really have anything to cover up. I'm just trying to accentuate my features. So when you're watching people's makeup tutorials, you have to look and be like, well, why would I do my makeup like someone who has things to cover up, doing all these steps, doing all this color correcting, all these different types of things, when I really don't need to do that. All I need is just like a little of this, a little of that, and you know, I look cute, I feel cute. And this is like one of my, you know, best things that I've done, and it just takes less time and it just looks like natural. Hence the title, Are You Wearing Makeup Right Now? Clearly, but like, am I, you know? Yeah, so I don't even have the longest lashes or the thickest, but I feel like the mascara gives. Now moving on to the lips, I also get asked about this lip combo, but it's like really simple. All you need is just a dark chocolatey brown type pencil. This one's literally from the beauty supply store, so I don't know what it was called. It was like $1. Next, I'll use this Summer Fridays lip gloss, and this one is in the color, what is it? I don't know what the color is, and I'm not about to squint my eyes and mess my makeup up because you know, whatever. But so I put this one on. It's this one in this color too. They just came out with another one called Iced Coffee, and it looks really cute. It looks like similar to this, but it has more of a mauve on this one, and that one looks more like brownie glazy. But yeah, it's really cute. Then I'll take this Fenty Gloss Bomb in this red color, and I'll just, you know, do the little thing in the middle of my lip right there. It just makes it look really nice, cute, you know, juicy, kissable, you know, all of these cute, hot summer type things. So yeah, babes, that's pretty much the look. I also have like this summer ponytail, which is like a really easy style. I can do like a recap video of this if y'all want. Like, let me know, because it's super hot in Houston, but this lasts for 2 weeks. I can work out in this, and I just like wrap my hair, you know, at night and stuff. I do have another tutorial up, but I can kind of like revamp it. So just like, let me know. This is what I'm working with. So yeah. All right, y'all, so that is the look. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below, tell me like your little tips and tricks. Like, what is your vibe for the summer makeup? Are you not wearing makeup? Are you wearing minimal makeup? Was this helpful for you? I'm wearing this cute little dress that I got from Naked or NAKD. I did do a haul on that, so if you want to check it out, and some other things that I'll be wearing with my cute little makeup this summer, I have some hauls posted, so definitely look at those videos. But please, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.